In a world where digital threats evolve every day, can AI be our ultimate cybersecurity guardian? Today, we're diving into the complex relationship between artificial intelligence and cybersecurity. Stick around to find out how AI is reshaping our defenses against cyber threats. Let's go. Hey everyone, and welcome to Taking It Offline. Today, we're diving into a world where technology meets security. We're talking about AI and cybersecurity, and trust me, you'll want to stay until the end because I'll be revealing how AI might predict cyber attacks before they even happen. Before we move on any further, hit that like button for me so the YouTube algorithm and its AI can help my channel. If you want to learn more about AI and cybersecurity, be sure to check out these videos on my channel. Now, like we've discussed in our other videos of cybersecurity, cyber is like the digital version of a lock on your front door. It's there to protect your personal information, but as these hackers in the world get smarter, our digital locks need to evolve too. This is where AI enters the scene. Imagine having a super smart guard who not only knows all the tricks hackers use, but can also learn and adapt every second. That's AI for you in the cybersecurity world. It's fast, it's efficient, and it's constantly learning to stay one step ahead of its threats. But is relying on AI for our digital security all good news? Stick around as we'll explore some ethical dilemmas in just a bit. AI and cybersecurity isn't sci-fi, it's real and it's here. For example, AI algos are used to detect unusual activities in your bank account. If something weird pops up, like a sudden large transaction, AI flags it. It's like having a personal financial guardian angel. Nearly 69% of organizations believe they can't respond to cyber threats effectively without AI. This reliance on AI isn't just about convenience, it's about survival in the digital age. Now, here's another crazy fact. AI helps detect 63% of breaches in just minutes. Can you imagine that speed and efficiency that brings to cybersecurity? Now, here's a twist. AI is a double-edged sword. It's like Spider-Man's quote, "With great power comes great responsibility."
With great power comes great responsibility.
AI can secure our data, but it also raises questions about privacy and the risk of AI being misused. Hackers are saving 60% of their time because of AI when they're hacking or are misusing AI. So, with that in mind, companies are spending more than it ever has before to protect their organizations. Let's talk about the future though. Cyber AI is rapidly becoming a force multiplier, enabling security teams to not only respond faster to attacks, but also to anticipate them. It's predicted that by the end of 2024, we'll see AI erode the effectiveness of traditional email security and significantly impact social engineering attacks. I'll explain what social engineering attacks are in another video, but for now, what you need to know is that we're talking about AI becoming so realistic and creating such sophisticated deepfakes that we're not gonna know what's real and what's not, and we'll be giving up sensitive data, potentially to AI. But it's not all gloom and doom. Trust me, AI and cybersecurity will grow by $19 billion by 2025. And its ability to adapt quickly and sense patterns of the possible hackers getting into other people's accounts is really good news. Cyber AI will play a pivotal role in business and society, with a forecasted 30% increase in use across various industries. This includes everything from cloud identity protection to critical infrastructure risk management. The surge in AI adoption is set to reshape how we handle cybersecurity across the globe. So, there you have it. AI is not just changing the game, it's rewriting the rules of cybersecurity. From acting as a quick response team to anticipating and preventing cyber threats, AI is set to revolutionize how we protect our digital world. Remember, as we embrace this new era, the balance between innovation and ethical use of AI will be key. And now, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on the future of AI and cybersecurity? Let me know in the comments below. As always, I'm taking it offline. This is Parth, signing off. Until next time.